Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about SoFi versus Chase. Which bank is better in 2025? Choosing between SoFi and Chase, they're both solid options, but they cater to very different banking styles. Let's break it down. Fees and account features. SoFi has no monthly fees, free overdraft protection and early direct deposit, plus high yield savings and flexible checking. Chase, as a traditional bank, offers physical branches but charges fees unless you meet specific requirements. However, they do provide a variety of checking and savings options, including premium perks. Now let's talk about investing and financial tools. SoFi includes commission-free stock trading, crypto investing, and robo-advising, all integrated with loans and credit cards. Chase offers investment accounts through JP Morgan and retirement planning, but it's less focused on crypto. Let's talk about credit cards and rewards. SoFi has a cashback credit card with the rewards that can be directly invested. Chase is famous for its top-tier travel credit cards, offering points for travel, cashback, and gift cards. So, which one is better? SoFi is best for digital-first users who want fee-free banking, investing, and cashback rewards. Chase is perfect if you prefer in-person banking, premium accounts, and top-tier credit card perks. So, which platform do you prefer? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.